month, my favorite time of year. Time of year that we grab all of Heavy D's toys and we put tracks on them, we put snow tires on them to Snowed In. Are you ready to party? Let's go, because we're about to get all these beautiful machines ready to play in the snow. Are you ready? Lock motors! Now we got the ultimate lineup at the shop. You got four-wheelers, Pro Rs, Rangers, the 1500, the Extremes, and they are ready for the mountain. First, they're ready to get their tracks on, because once the tracks are on, they're ready for the mountain. So I get them in the shop. The guys are just chomping at the bit, start putting tracks on, then tracks on, tracks on, tracks. Then the Snowed In series. You just hold still and we'll pull them in, okay? All right. Man. I am getting sick and tired of all these spam calls. I get like 100 a day, and the problem is I get all these numbers coming through, and I don't know whether it's an important message or a spam call, and I don't want to waste my time with more spam. That's why I want to throw a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Aura, because Aura's helping get rid of those spam calls for me. You got a lot of your personal information out there on the web. It's out there in the world, and these data brokers are taking it and selling it to people that are going to use it for identity theft. They're going to spam call you, all these different things. Well, Aura, they'll go in and remove your personal data from those data brokers. They'll keep it safe, because you got a lot of your information out there, and I want you to be safe. I want to be safe. You see that link right there in the description below? You click it and you're going to get 2 weeks of Aura for free. You go in there, you sign up, and they are going to go and rescue your personal information from the clutches of these evil men. They're going to get you spam calls, that people are going to, I don't want to scare you, but you are threatened with identity theft and all these other things because your information's out there. Aura can help keep you safe. And I want you to be safe, because I want you to enjoy watching the track video and not have to worry about your personal information getting stolen. All right, you know what to do. Click that link. Thank you, Aura, for sponsoring this video. I got to get back to work. Tracks on tracks. We got tons of machines. We got certain tracks that got to go on certain machines. Certain tracks fit the four-wheeler, certain tracks fit the side-by-side. They got some good knobs on them, so
you can tell why Dave wants this on his machine. Yeah. We're gonna install this on the trolley. You fix that. I ordered the parts for that. I'm just waiting for those to show up. This is a front for a four-wheeler. But we only have one. We need to find the second one. Those are rears.
The flats are backs for side-by-sides. The flat ones.
Yes and no.
Oh, so just by looking at it, just by smelling it and touching it, he could tell that it's a front right track. Isn't that incredible?
I mean rear left.
I'm just not good at looking at pictures. If you're facing this way, it's a front right, but if you're facing this way, it's a rear left.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Four-wheeler ones are probably smaller, right?
These must be, so we can take these
on the Ranger.
Okay. So we can put those on the Ranger. We need to find more for.
I'll pull the Ranger right here. All right, so we are on another track adventure today. We got to get all the machines organized, all the tracks laid out for which one goes to which machine, because there's some in here that go to side-by-sides, there's some in there that go to four-wheelers. Hopefully there's one in here that goes to the El Camino. But as of right now, sectioning out parts of the shop for UTVs to get tracks, for four-wheelers to get tracks, and also for a little something special that you might catch a glimpse of. I don't want to tell you what it is yet, but let's just say the secret weapon of this year's Snowed In. Get tracks on it, bud. Take the Snowed In. We got Jair and team over there putting the special tracks for Dave on his Razor R, Pro R, and we are going to put some tracks on this Sportsman, because Sportsman's on tracks, Sportsman's on snow tires, Sportsman's in general are like my favorite. I love them. Anyway, we're gonna get all the Sportsmans decked out, all the Scramblers decked out with track, all the side-by-sides decked out with tracks, and it's gonna be a Polaris track party. Dude, another shot is my sippy.
Huh?
Take another shot of my sippy.
Yeah. What do you think, buddy? We're doing some product development right now. So I know how you said you wanted more skulls, right? So I hope you enjoy this. Don't yell at me like last time either, okay? American flag skull. And it's a magnet too. So that's cool, huh? Do you like that? Then I've got, oh, there's 2 American flag ones. Let's get through 3 American flag. Jeez, guys. Oh, that's not a good, sorry, boss. Hey. Sorry, boss. Yeah, this one's not good, right? We'll get rid of that. Ooh, what about this? Is that a good one? No. Okay. Maybe that's a no. Green skull. I don't like that. You like that, Jaime? I don't like that one. Ooh, insignia. What do you think? That's what gets your dad going too. Peekaboo. Sounds good. We got 2 out of 4. Hey, Pedro. Todo bien, amigo? One more, buddy. One more. Look at these stickers. Which one do you like best? Yeah. You want the Black Hawk? Where do we put the Black Hawk? You want to put it here? Nice. Let's do this. Nice job, buddy. Black Hawk it is. And those look pretty dope. Right, Jaime?
Yeah, those are cool.
Do you like those?
Yeah.
All right. New order coming in, folks. New order coming in. Good. Just got some other stickers. I didn't even ask for these, but I think we're gonna do it. Look at this one. Feel this. Come here. Scratch and feel. You hear that? Feel it.
Oh no, it's a scratch and sniff.
Yeah, you get this smell of sparks. Isn't that cool? It's like sandpaper.
It's like grip tape.
What do you think?
Hey, Meta.
Don't talk to my Meta. Isn't that a cool one?
Hey, Meta.
No, don't talk to my Meta. You don't get to talk to my Meta like that.
Hey, Meta.
Look at that one. I like that one too.
Hey, Meta.
What do you think?
Why is that in front of me?
Dude, you can't say that. Yeah, no.
Hey, Meta.
Hey, Meta, record.
Hey, Meta. Hi, Meta.
Now you're getting recorded.
Okay.
No,
hey,
don't
Meta.
take that off.
Hey, Meta.
Jeez.
Stop recording.
Feel that one. That's good. Oh, you like textures?
I do like that.
Feel this texture.
And that's
But
the same
now-
as the
Polaris.
6x6 that we did.
Yeah, but look.
Did you take it off the machine?
Put it
Hold on, let
on
me
the
close my
machine.
eyes. Guide my hand. No, not. I don't like this one.
I'm,
I'll guide my own hand. Oh, ew! Why is it so sandpapery?
check it out. Isn't that cool? Dude, you totally just put a bunch of your skin cells on him.
You
Clean that off.
spit on them?
Sparks? Yeah. What is on Sparks?
The butt is on your face. That's kind of cool. That's literally like a piece of sandpaper. That is like a
No, that's DA. Like,
D8 sticky pad.
look at that.
Is that for the sender?
Is it an activate sandpaper gun?
Feel it.
Uh-huh.
Come feel it.
I feel that, but
Are you scared to be on camera?
no, but now Kayla spilled that thing. I don't want to touch it again.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even know you were still here, to tell you the truth. I thought you walked out a long time ago.
What we have here is some lug nut. By lug nuts, I mean new lug nut. We are robbing the smaller lug nuts from the Pro R, put tracks on, and Sportsman. Down. What are we doing today? More ice
Fixing
skates?
that track. We're pounding off the plastic because when we ordered the skates here, we thought they came with the plastic and it didn't, so I have to reuse the plastic. This back onto here. Yeah, this is a new ski. The other one, the old one I just tossed. It got hit pretty good. That's what we were taking off just a moment ago. So we just got a replacement right here. Way to make it go on a little bit easier. Hopefully, let's use some of this tire mounting compound goo. Make it slide easier.
Is that cooking lard?
I don't know. Could try it. I don't know. Might taste good. But it's definitely Murphy's tire and tube mounting compound. That stuff, man, if you're putting tires on the rims, That's the stuff I always use that stuff. If I don't have a can of that, I won't do anything on the tires.
When you think of the Snowed In series, if you guys haven't caught on, this is the 3rd time we've done Snowed In, and we get a lot of creators to come with us and have a lot of fun. They bring in some wild vehicles, we play around, and we track everything. Tracks on tracks on tracks. I don't know how many that are tracked up. We got the Ranger, we got the 4-wheeler. Let me go show you a few more. This is all tracked up. Then we have another XP1000, another XP1000. Maybe you thought we were done. We're not. Doing snow tires here. Still not done with the tracks. This 4-wheeler. Yep. Tracks there. This Pro R is going to get tracks as well. You saw a sneak peek. This. We got the Troy Lee Razor. These tracks on the back look familiar. That is what we had on the snow rail last year. This is getting tracks. Now come on over here. I'll show you some more tracks that are not on anything yet. These things are incredibly awesome on the snow. They perform very well. They're going to be on Dave Sparks' brand new A&W Gladiator. Cannot wait to play with those again. You guys have to know this guy. We've used him for a lot of adventures, and guess what? It's tracked, so guess where it's going? Snowed In. Patron, what are you working on, dude? Are you doing the brakes again? What are we doing?
Yeah, I tried to make it work.
Remember the last time you tried to make it work and it didn't work, so are you gonna make it work this time?
Exactly.
Are we like off vacation now, or we just want to work, or what?
No, I changed it a couple parts. I changed it, but this part is different to the other one. So
All right.
yeah,
But it's gonna work during the snow,
yeah.
hopefully.
Hopefully.
I hope so too.
Wait, what's wrong with it?
He didn't adjust it properly.
It's not supposed to be like that?
It's not supposed to be.
It doesn't supposed to be up like that.
Wait, so the snow can go under it?
Yeah, well, when you're going forward, you want to have as much of a platform on the ground so the the buoyancy of it is kept up. But when you have an angle like that, all you're doing is digging the front of the track in and possibly creating a bigger rut, and you're not gonna be able to get out on the next turn. So the flatter they have it, the better it is. It needs a second adjustment.
You drive it a little bit and then the back goes up and then you have to adjust it again.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Talk to me, dog. What are you doing right now?
Just installing the anti-rotation arms brackets for the new tracks.
Gotcha.
What are they called? They have a name.
I forgot what they were called.
They have a fancy name.
Hibachi?
Apache tracks.
No, that's a type of meal you eat. Hibachi
Oh,
restaurant.
no. I know you're hungry, but no,
Yeah.
this is Apache.
Okay,
Apache.
you had to put spacers on this, right?
Yes, because, well, they're adapters. We're going from
yeah.
5 nuts, lug nuts to 4.
Did we have those from last year, or did we have to make those?
No, we actually bought those on Friday.
Oh, nice. Hey, why are we sitting down?
Talking ideas.
Just kidding. How are you doing? Is this all done, Jair? What do you mean not even close? I see all the tracks on it.
The tracks are on and they're ready to go, but Sparks wants some fenders, so I'm just taking measurements so I can design the fenders
Hold
for
on.
the front track.
What are the fenders looking like? Where are they going?
Where are they going? They're gonna cover from somewhere around here, go around the top, and then cover like all the way down here.
Are you gonna do it kind of like the Hell tracks?
Similar, yeah. More
Oh,
like
okay.
like the cab over fenders with aluminum comes to the sides. And
Gotcha. That way it's not blasting the cabin.
yeah,
Or
blasting the
cabin.
driver.
The driver
The
going.
driver, yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say the roll cage looks a little off. Looks a little Porsche.
Look at the doors. Come from the side. Look at the doors.
Alan is not wrong. Like, look at the gap right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
It doesn't make any sense.
It's for
Why is
it's
there a hole in my door?
just for airflow.
It needs to go up here and here and fit in there a little bit nicer.
Al pal, we'll ship you off to Polaris. You can go figure that out. Hey, what are you doing here? I thought we had snow tires going on this sucker.
Now we're taking a vacation. No, so I don't know what the goal was. Rom asked me to put tracks on this. Fortunately, we're at a standstill because we were needing lug nuts, which will be here tomorrow. But no, we are going to track another four-wheeler, so we have at least 3 four-wheelers with tracks.
What you got there?
I got a fender for you.
That's a pretty heavy-duty fender, man.
Sure. Let's call it this.
Hey.
It's just for snow.
I know, but it's not plastic is
It's
what
not
I'm saying.
plastic, You're right. I started with the fender. I'm gonna just set it up kind of here, but prop it up with like pieces of wood or something, so it gives me the right height I want. And then from there, I'm gonna just run some brackets from here to those 2 bolts, and then from here to that bolt and another bolt through here. We're gonna add a little mud flap at the back, more snow down, but with something flexible in case he goes over a rock or a bump or stump.
Something.
We don't hit the fender right away.
That's sweet.
Yeah, I'm
is this
hoping-
gonna rip off?
It all depends.
Okay.
But if he throws something else than snow, like rocks or big rocks, you never know. Like, they should work for the snow very good.